They called it the miracle machine. Ink met metal, keys danced, and suddenly, letters snapped onto paper with machine gun precision. The world gasped. No more smudged pens, no more illegible scribbles. But in hospital halls? Panic. For decades, doctors ruled the kingdom of handwriting. Their loops and swirls were sacred, untouchable, even if no one else could read them. But now, clerks could write prescriptions. Secretaries could type medical notes. Accuracy surged, authority slipped. Doctors raged, "It's a toy, a threat to tradition." But it was too late. The click-clack symphony had already begun. The twist? One hospital made all doctors use typewriters. Medication errors dropped by 50%. Lives were saved. And the machine they once mocked? It became their silent metal assistant. From protest to prescription, one click at a time.